The telecom industry in India at this stage is going through a fair amount of transition.
Particularly at a time during the whole recession period, most other industries seem to be having a slowdown. Telecom is actually growing.
So I think it's a very good time to be in the telecom sector, which is undergoing major changes, as well as the value-added services companies, which have a tremendous opportunity. We have found SIT to give a very good overview and understanding of the industry.
These are people who've spent 2 years learning what telecom is, and they're ready to go on day one. I think that's the importance of SITM and the role that SITM plays in the Indian telecom industry.
Imagine a world away from a world, away from city strife and the pesky demands of ordinary life, nestled on top of a hill and looking over the blinking city lights beneath. The sprawling campus here at Lavalle is one of its kind of right. So what Symbiosis Knowledge Village essentially does is, it creates an environment which is perfect for some serious working and, not to forget, some serious fun.
This brain has been doing some pretty tough working out, but that's the order of the day, it seems. Here at SITM, we have two specializations, Marketing and Finance and Systems and Finance. The basic course structure for both the specializations are more or less the same, barring a few specialization subjects like Retail Management, International Business and Brand Management for Marketing and Finance, and Security Management and Network Design for Systems and Finance. Guest lectures are a regular feature here, with industry bigwigs sharing their expertise with us. But studies go much beyond classroom, with workshops, industrial visits, projects and of course the summer internships. The students are the essence of any academic institute. Here at SITM, the students are active participants in the placement process, organizing events and even heading these numerous students' committees.
There are a few inescapable truths you learn as you grow up. For instance, hard work almost always leads to more hard work. But we don't mind doing that too much, considering work is what we are here for essentially. The placement scene at SITM has been very promising so far. Some of the major recruiters are consultancy like EY and KPMG, telco giants like Vodafone, Idea and Airtel. And also we have IT companies like Infosys and IBM. The job profiles offered can range from consultant, management trainee, assistant manager to business development manager. As of 2009, the average pay package has been same as last year, that is 6.6 lakhs per annum. And also we've had international placements as well. Also now that companies are looking for more skilled, enterprising people, we are looking forward towards more industry interactive programs and events.
Remember what all work and no play does to you? Well, we can assure you we're not like that. And just like our work, we take our play pretty seriously. The state-of-the-art recreation and the wellness center is one of the highlights of this campus. With the finest gym instructors, the latest equipments, carom room, table tennis room, and a luxurious swimming pool, you never have to worry about getting that perfect workout.
The hills are alive with the sound of music. A famous musical would have you believe. Well, to be honest, life here at SITM can be a bit of song and dance whenever we manage to get some time out of our academics. Fests are a great way to have fun and to do a bit of creative thinking and learning. Our flagship event, the National Telecom Seminar, gives us a chance to do the same. And it doesn't hurt when some of the biggest names in the industry come here and give us insights to the telecom industry. We share this campus with two other colleges, SIBM and SIMC, as a result of which we have events lined up throughout the year. So don't think we don't step out of the classroom. Whenever we need a break, we look for the best alternative escape route.
SITM has provided me with a platform wherein I not only got a theoretical knowledge but rather a complete practical industrial experience which helped me right from the day one in my industry until date.
Those 2 years in SITM were an added advantage what all of us as an alumni have with us.